in a ketogenic state, but what is this? And what recipes can you follow? The keto diet is a low-carb and high-fat diet that is similar to the Atkins diet, except that there are no complicated phases to work through, making it a little easier to follow, especially for diet beginners. The plan is said to cause fast weight loss while allowing dieters to remain satisfied, thanks to the large amount of fat in the diet. The diet sends the body into a state of ketosis, when the body burns fat for energy, instead of carbohydrates. Over 20 scientific studies have shown this diet results in high levels of weight loss. One 2010 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that in 6 weeks a group following a low-carb diet lost 13.7 pounds, almost a stone. So how does the keto diet work? By sending the body into ketosis when you deprive it of carbohydrates, the body begins to use the fat stored in your body as energy. This depletes fat stores and results in a quick weight loss. One woman revealed she lost 5 stone in 5 months on the keto diet plan online. The 27-year-old said, "It took me 5 months to lose the weight and I've been maintaining and focusing on becoming stronger since. I lost the weight with keto and moderate exercise and have been maintaining with CICO and weightlifting." What can you eat on the keto diet? Foods that are carbs are all off the menu when it comes to keto. However, there are a wealth of other tasty foods you can enjoy. They include seafood, low-carb veg such as kale, broccoli and cauliflower, cheese, avocados, meat and eggs. What are some keto diet recipes? Your diet should be around 80 to 90% fat to make this diet work. Focusing on fat-rich food like eggs and avocado is key. Recipes you could make include granola, chicken wings, stuffed avocado, chicken curry and beef stew, so long as you keep the carbs to a minimum.